roads we ride, life is never straight and smooth. It's full of twists, potholes, peaks and troughs. And sometimes it feels like we're barely able to keep our heads above water as we seemingly move from crisis to crisis. But then, just occasionally, something comes along that is so good, so much fun, that even the very thought of it fills you with happiness and anticipation, because you know that no matter what life throws at you, it's all forgotten the moment you ride through the gates, because these guys know how to party, these guys know how to do a rally the way it should be done, these guys know how to do welcomes.
Hello guys, welcome back. We're off to yet another rally. This time we're heading down to just outside Felixstowe for the 4Fs MCC Summer Party. I've been to this one before and it was a good gig, so I've no doubt this will be the same. As you can see, I'm back on the Sportster again, second week in a row. I absolutely love this bike, I've got to say. So responsive, so light, flexible, brilliant handling. I mean, the Dyna's great as well, but this is just like the perfect one for narrow country roads, he says as he's going along a motorway. So where we're going today, it's about 45 minutes to an hour away from where I live. It's literally just to the end of the A12, swing a right down the A14 and we're there. So not very far at all. In the army we had a term chin strapped, which means to be absolutely knackered, i.e. oh mate, I'm on my chin strap here. And believe me mate, I am on my chin strap. So a bit of a drama at work. I was meant to be doing 2 late shifts, which would have meant I'd be home last night about 10:30, but I ended up having to do 2 12-hour nights. So last night I started work at 6 o'clock. I finished at 6 this morning. I was in bed at 6:45 and up again just before 10. I really didn't want to get up, but sadly one of the lads that I work with, he's taken poorly, like quite seriously ill. So Carl, if you're watching this mate, big shout out to you, hang tough. So it's not ideal, but get down there, get pitched up, and then like maybe have a old man's half hour this afternoon. Well, say that, probably get a beer down me and that'll be me until midnight.
Yeah, I'm a dead man walking by day, wondering if there's medicine I can take. Until the sun goes down, that's when I can let it out. You can call me crazy, I call it fate. Transformation taking over me. From dusk till dawn, I'm digging my way up the grave. From dusk till dawn, I'm staring my fears in the face. From dusk till dawn, I got some hell to raise. They've got a price to pay. From dusk till dawn, from dusk till dawn.
this is where we cross over the what's the river called? Tell me, River Orwell. Did I get it right? Yes, I got it right. So this rally's at a sports and social club. So as well as got full use of the bar, you also have showers, which is also a very nice thing at a rally, especially in this sort of weather. And here we are.
The mercury was already climbing sharply as I set up, and it's difficult to believe that exactly 1 week ago I was setting up in heavy rain. And this weekend, my homemade poncho would be providing a different type of shelter. So after setting up, it was a quick trip to the nearest shop to stock up on essentials.
Well, so much for getting some sleep.
As expected, there was little enthusiasm for catching up on sleep. You see, there's just too much to see and do at these rallies. And unusually, I hadn't brought my own food, so it was going to be the unhealthy option for dinner. Damn that succulent cheeseburger. You know what I like about this rally? It's the fact that it breaks the norm. Yeah, it's got excellent bands and a cracking bike show, but it's also very inclusive of the local community. And the entertainment included a local samba band and an Elvis impersonator. And the 4Fs really know how to throw a party. And I know I always say it when I go to rallies, but watching these videos are one thing, but you really have to experience one firsthand. And you don't need to ride a bike or a trike to attend. And in actual fact, there were plenty of local folks who came along to enjoy the party.
I've got these people coming at me. No matter what I do, I can't make anybody.
Now, bearing in mind I still hadn't had any sleep, and despite the fact I was still running on my reserve tank, I think I did rather well to stay until the end of the bands in the marquee. In fact, when I got back to my tent, I even had a final drink outside and watched a spectacular sunset, and even got to see a little bat doing circuits as he thought out his evening meal.
So much for an early night. Well, it's just gone 11 o'clock. The bands were just so good, I couldn't leave them, so actually I don't even feel like tired as I did earlier on, so I am gonna try and get some sleep now, and I'll see you in the morning. Been a cracking night. See you later.
The following morning, the heat wave continued, and after a quick breakfast, I went for a wander. Now, it's highly unlikely you're ever going to find yourself bored at a bike rally. There's always plenty of bikes to admire and stalls to check out. And the Metal Man jewellery stall is always a big hit amongst us bikers. It's real high quality jewellery at a great price, and it's a pleasure to support small businesses.
Yeah, why not? I'll go for that. Yeah, just take your tag off, please. It's my birthday in a couple of days, so I've got to treat myself.
Happy birthday.
Thank you. That was just a cry for attention, that wasn't it? Shameful.
So I'll put the link to the Metal Man jewellery website in the video description. And if you're into alternative jewellery, this is definitely the place to go. And they also do mail order as well. So please take a look at Metal Man jewellery and tell Donna, the biker off the beaten track, is chuffed to bits with his bracelet. One thing that always amazes me is the craftsmanship, attention to detail and patience that it must take to create such masterpieces that are displayed in the bike shows. And this is one of those rallies where we actually get the chance to vote for winners in each category. Personally, I think every single one deserved a prize.
Furthest travelled. This is pretty impressive. Matthew Smith, Tour Point Devon, 326 miles. And he's in fancy dress. What a legend.
There were multiple categories and the prizes were awarded in the early evening. There then followed a charity raffle. And this is something I want to point out. As with almost all rallies, they are all geared up to raise hundreds and sometimes thousands of pounds for charity. And there's not many more generous and charitable folk than the biking community. And after the prize giving, there was a nice touch when a young lady whose birthday happened to fall on the weekend of the rally had Happy Birthday sung to her, albeit a slightly out of key rendition of Happy Birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Donna. Happy birthday to you.
And on the subject of generosity, do you know that young lady shared her birthday cake with everyone present and kindly went around handing out slices to anyone who wanted some? And there's something very amusing watching leather-clad bikers trying to lick buttercream out of their beards. yet another wonderful evening. Excellent live music mixed with laughter as everyone partied well into the night. And as we all turned in at various times, we crawled into our sleeping bags, tired but happy. Very, very happy. Of course, there's always an element of sadness when something good comes to an end, but there's also a quiet euphoria, a deep feeling of contentment that you've been privileged to have been a part of something so special. And it's this sense of euphoria that makes us hunger all the more for the next rally. The sheer desire to be back amongst the most welcoming and friendly bunch of people you could ever wish to meet. And so friends, I hope you thoroughly enjoyed watching this video, just as much as I enjoyed attending the rally. But as I've already said, watching a video will never be able to provide the same level of enjoyment as actually going to the rally. So friends, make attending a bike rally one of your bucket list items, because life is so short, and one day we'll wake up and there won't be that opportunity to do all the things we wish we could have done. And until next time folks, ride often and ride safe.